Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the series of Linux for DevOps. So in today's tutorial we are going to see shell script using while loops. So before proceeding with writing a while loop, let's go ahead and check the syntax of a while loop to understand what exactly is while loop. Okay, so as you can see over the syntax, so the while loop is a control flow statement that allows code or commands to be executed repeatedly on a given condition. What is the condition? We mentioned the condition over here. Okay, so for example, suppose if I have given a condition over here is a number is equal to 10. So till the time the condition that I have mentioned over here or the comparison that I have done in command is true, it is going to execute this statement, the statement 1, 2 and 3. Okay, till that time the command is true. Just remember this. As soon as this command becomes false, it is going to get out of the while loop. Okay, so let's see this with an example. So let me open my terminal. Let's create a file named while underscore loop dot sh, then function insert bin slash bash. Now we will create a variable and assign the value to that variable as 1. Okay, now as we have created a variable, we will go ahead and write our while loop. So in while loop, what condition I am going to meet? So after while, put a space, bracket, then again a space. So over here I am going to take the current value of count $count and equal to count space if the count is less than or equal to 10. Till this condition matches, it is going to execute the below statements. So let's define the below statement under do. So over here we will echo the count, and we are also going to increment the count by 1. That is the reason we are using plus plus. Okay, so okay, let's complete this and we will close the while loop with done. So now let's see once again. We have mentioned a variable count is equal to 1. So how this while loop is going to run? Okay, so the while loop will start and it will check currently first the count is equal to 1. So it will come here 1 is less than equal to 10. It is true. So it will go and execute the statement. Then once it executes the echo statement, it is also going to increment the count by plus 1. So count plus 1 would become 2. Now this count is 2. So it will come back over here is 2 is less than equal to 10. Again the condition is true. It will print the count and also increment the count. So now the count will become 3. That is 2 plus 1. So this is how this loop is going to work till the time this condition is false. Once this condition becomes false, it will come out of the loop. So let's save the file and check it ourselves. So as it is a new file, provide the execute permission. As execute permission is provided, let's run the while loop and you can see. So the while loop started. So first it checked that if 1 is less than equal to 10, it was true. Then it came, incremented the counter, and 2 is less than equal to 10. It is true. The same way this. So we have given less than equal to, not less than. That is the reason it is printing 10 also. So this is how we use while loop to print the output that we want as per the requirement in a loop. So thank you for watching the tutorial guys. Please let me know in case of any concerns by writing in the comment. Goodbye.